everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to download video from iQIYI. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Downloading videos from iQIYI can be done through official methods, so what you need to do is head over and open up your iQIYI, and then once you're inside, be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once logged into your account, what you need to do in order to download videos is simply head over and search for the series that you want to download, and then once you're inside there, what you need to do now is you'll be seeing a download button right here. Simply tap on that, and on tapping that, select the episodes. Simply select all the episodes that you want to download, and once you select it, all you gotta do is simply tap on download and then follow the on-screen prompts to successfully download it. Then once downloaded, your downloads will be saved in your download section. So simply head back, and then once you tap on the download right here, your downloaded videos will be seen right here. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.